Question 27. 0.369 gram of a bromo derivative of a hydrocarbon A when vaporized occupied 67.2 milliliter at NTP. A on reaction with aqueous NaOH gives B. B when passed over alumina at 250 degrees centigrade gives a neutral compound C, while at 300 degrees centigrade it gives a hydrocarbon D. D when treated with HBr gives an isomer of A. When D is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and the product is diluted with water and distilled, E is obtained. Identify A to E. So according to this question, there is a hydrocarbon. Let the formula of the hydrocarbon be RH. Now, ये हाइड्रोकार्बन फॉर्म करता है एक ब्रोमो डेरिवेटिव. लेट इट्स फॉर्मूला बी आर बी आर विच इज कॉल्ड ए और इसका वेट है 0.369 ग्राम. ए को जब वेपोराइज करेंगे इट विल ऑक्यूपाई अ वॉल्यूम 67.2 milliliter. Then again A on reaction with aqueous NaOH gives B. तो B का फॉर्मूला होगा ROH. This is B. It gives B. B when passed over alumina at 250 degrees centigrade. It gives a neutral compound C. B gives a neutral compound C when passed over alumina at 250 degrees centigrade. But B at 300 degrees centigrade gives a hydrocarbon D. D when heated with HBr gives a isomer of A, gives a isomer of A, and D when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and the product is diluted with water and distilled, E is obtained. Now we have to identify the compounds A, B, C, D and E. So first of all, number of moles is equal to volume divided by molar volume. Volume कितना है? A का वॉल्यूम है 67.2 milliliter divided by molar volume, that is 22,400 milliliter, और number of moles is also equal to weight divided by molecular weight. तो A का weight है 0.369 gram divided by molecular weight of A, let it be X. Solve करेंगे तो value of X will be equal to 123 और molecular weight of A is equal to 123. So A का जो जनरल फॉर्मूला हमने लिया है वो है RBR. अब इसमें ब्रोमीन का वेट है 80. सो एल्काइल चेन का वेट हो जाएगा 123 माइनस 80 विच इज इक्वल टू 43. अब एल्काइल चेन का वेट पता है तो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द एल्काइल चेन. CH3 ग्रुप का वेट होता है 15, CH3 CH2 का वेट होता है 29 एंड CH3 CH2 CH2 का वेट होता है 43. So the alkyl group which is attached to bromine is CH3 CH2 CH2. तो यहाँ जो ये एल्केन है उसका फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा CH3 CH2 CH3 और A का स्ट्रक्चर हो जाएगा CH3 CH2 CH2 Br. Now A when treated with aqueous NaOH gives alcohol B. तो CH3 CH2 CH2 Br when treated with aqueous NaOH it will give B and the structure of B will be CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. So this is the structure of B. Now B when passed over alumina at 250 degrees centigrade gives a neutral compound C, while at 300 degrees centigrade it gives a hydrocarbon D. At low temperature, two molecules of B will join together with elimination of water molecule to give a neutral compound C, or we can say intermolecular dehydration will take place. So the structure of C will be CH3 CH2 CH2 O CH2, CH2, CH3. In this, the two molecules of B have joined together with the elimination of water. The general reaction can be shown as this is one alcohol and this is another alcohol, and there will be elimination of water molecule and they will join together to form a ether. So in this same way, two molecules of B with the elimination of water and formed ether. So this is the structure of C. C is a ether. But when B is heated at high temperature with alumina, then the elimination of water molecule takes place from the same molecule, from the molecule of B, or there is intramolecular dehydration reaction. So the compound formed will be, or the structure of D will be, D is equal to CH3 CH double bond CH2. So the reaction which must have taken place is, ये है structure B का CH3CH H CH2 OH. तो जब high temperature पे heat करेंगे with alumina, that is at 300 degree centigrade, if it is heated with alumina, there will be elimination of water molecule from the same molecule. तो compound बन जाएगा CH3 CH double bond CH2, which is the structure of D. D when heated with HBr gives isomer of A. तो D को जब HBr से ट्रीट करेंगे, यानी कि D को जब HBr से ट्रीट करेंगे, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2 when treated with HBr, तो इसमें जो compound बनेगा, it will be isomer of A. So the structure of the compound will be CH3 CH Br CH3. Now this is the isomer of A which is formed on treatment of D with HBr. And D when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and the product is diluted with water and still E is obtained. अब जब D को concentrated sulfuric acid के साथ treat करेंगे and the product is diluted with water, there will be addition of H2O across the double bond and the product E will have the structure CH3 CH OH CH3. This is the structure of E.